12 home remedies for sore throats. With temperature changes, throat clearing, coughing, and hoarseness reappear, which we all suffer from yearly. However, you can alleviate the symptoms a little with these options. Sore throat is usually related to irritation or inflammation of the vocal cords. Symptoms that may be the expression of various pathologies such as a cold, aphonia, or pharyngitis. In the gallery we present here, we have compiled some remedies you can consider when relieving throat discomfort. From an infusion to a hot shower, many options are available. Foods that soothe a sore throat. In addition to herbal teas, honey or candies, certain foods can be extra. Help to stop coughing and reduce discomfort when swallowing. Ice cream. Cold foods help numb the pain, and the creaminess of ice cream increases the feeling of well-being. Cooked cabbage. Its high antioxidant content makes it your best ally against a sore throat. Cooked carrot. It provides vitamin A and improves the immune system. Licorice. Sucking on this plant soothes throat irritation and reduces nervous coughs. In addition, studies show its soothing effect on the respiratory tract. Gargle is a classic that never fails. As in so many other things, our grandmothers were right. Gargling several times a day with warm salt water allows it to absorb moisture from the mucous membrane cells, which are inflamed during constipation. Half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of water is enough. Half a minute is more than enough. If you gargle more than 3 times a day, the mucous membranes may dry out, just the opposite of what we want. Choose soup first. And if it's chicken, all the better. Although any hot broth will do, experts recommend chicken, vegetable, or beef. The soups that do not suit you are tomato soup, excessively acidic, or those containing dairy products, which increase the production of mucus. Taste a spoonful of honey. Take it as if it were candy. Let it sit in the back of your mouth. Honey is an effective antiseptic. It helps fight infectious diseases by destroying the microbes that cause them. Remember that children under 1 year old cannot drink honey, as it may contain the bacterium Clostridium botulinum that causes botulism in babies. Put on a warm washcloth. In addition to being very pleasant, warm clothes can improve throat circulation and help it deflate. Dampen a cloth with hot water, wring it out and place it on the throat to take effect. The heat will cause the blood vessels to dilate and help the muscles relax, reducing the pain. Use a humidifier. The humidity will help relieve discomfort, but your chosen device should be a cool mist. You must take great care of its cleanliness and maintenance so that microorganisms never concentrate inside it. If you do not have one, you can make eucalyptus vapors by covering your head with a towel and trying to breathe through your mouth. Take a shower or a bath. This is another way to bring moisture to the throat. The steam generated by a good hot shower will increase the humidity in the air and your throat. You can also take a bath and add herbs and essential oils to the water. Drink a glass of baking soda and lime. It doesn't sound very appealing to the palate, and it's not. But drinking 1 or 2 glasses of this mixture daily can be very effective for any condition related to the throat and voice. Both baking soda and lemon have antibacterial properties. Try to talk a little less. The ideal way to recover from aphonia as soon as possible is to rest your vocal cords for at least 2 or 3 days. If you also try to clear your throat less and breathe through your nose instead of your mouth, your recovery will be faster. Avoid going to noisy bars or places that force you to raise your voice to communicate. Use sage as an infusion or spray. A study published in the European Journal of Medical Research showed that this plant and echinacea contain substances that can soothe an irritated throat. Make an infusion, let it cool, and rinse your throat. You should not use it if you are pregnant. It can be toxic to the fetus. You can also buy mouth sprays based on sage and echinacea. The former will act quickly, and you will get more extended term protection with the latter. Suck on mints. It doesn't matter if they are mint, eucalyptus, orange, or lemon. Drinking tea candies relieves throat irritation, because the saliva produced by sucking on them soothes the throat. If you have diabetes, choose them without sugar. Prepare an infusion of licorice. This plant is especially effective in cases of aphonia. In addition, licorice has valuable anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties. An infusion of licorice will help you open the airways, and your aphonia will begin to heal. In addition to being antibacterial, its anti-inflammatory and mucosal softening properties help a lot in the treatment of angina and pharyngitis. Take it easy. The more nervous we are, the more our immune system is weakened. In addition, stress and anxiety can affect the vocal cords, favoring the appearance of aphonia. Nerves can cause us to strain our voices almost unconsciously, injuring the vocal cords. Try to speak in a soft and calm tone.